y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a melt and pour glycerin soap. I'm going to be doing a happy fall y'all soap because we know that it's not too far from fall. So I'm going to go ahead and show y'all what we're going to do. Now in this little container I'm going to have some 24 karat gold mica and a clear melt and pour base. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and add what will be my orange. Give that a little stir. I'm going to go ahead and mix these in. Now these just make a really tiny loaf of soap. I thought the gold would be a good addition to the soap. And it will give it a little more fall feel to the soap. Alright, adjust my temps. And that brown looks gorgeous. I'll let y'all see the brown. It's a really pretty color that's called amarangi. I'm not saying this. Amarangi. I can't say that word. Amber is the name of it. Now, I'm going to add my fragrance oils in. And when I make these little test batches, the small, tiny batches, they only have 5. So I'll put them on the website and they only will be, have 5 available. So when they're gone, they are gone. And this one is just a fall smell. I'll put the description up in the description on the website. And I'll link everything at the bottom so y'all have it. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and start pouring this on. I'm going to bring it up here so y'all can see everything. Alright, so we're going to go in with the first color. Always have your rubbing alcohol out when you're pouring melt and pour glycerin soaps. This is the Stevenson brand. Go in with my beautiful orange. And come in with my amber color. Put some down the side of this. So this has, we've got 5 bars of this soap, and when it's gone, it's gone. This will be available in August 2018. I'm just kind of letting it go down the side of the loaf here. I'm just going to let that go off in there into the bar, into the little loaf soap. Okay, this is my gold that I'm going in with now. I'll try to tilt this up so y'all can see what it looks like inside there. It's really hard to get everything in. It's the gold is a beautiful shimmer color. It's got gold mica in it. I think the colors are going to be gorgeous in the soap. Sorry if y'all have a little bit of shadow. Maybe if I do it like this, y'all can see it a little better. The lighting. I had a comment and I had an email asking me would I please do more glycerin melt and pour videos. And the answer is, of course I will. I'll try to post one every week. I'm going to start doing them on Mondays, and we're going to call them Melt and Pour Mondays. So I'm excited that y'all want to see them, and I'm glad that y'all are reaching out and let me know that y'all are what y'all want to see. It makes me feel good that y'all are interacting with me. For you melt and pour soap makers out there. I'm not going to swirl this one or anything like that. I just want to put the colors in and let it harden on its own, and I'm going to see what happens to it from there. Going to be all that I do with this soap. I did not mix it. I did not put a stick in it or anything. I'm leaving it just like I made it there. Alright, we will come back tomorrow and we'll slice our little baby loaf up. Y'all stick around. Hey y'all, welcome back. It's day 2. We're going to slice this little tiny bar of glycerin soap up. This will be available on our website. We only have 5 bars. So if you want one of these bars, go grab it up. They're $3.50 a bar. It's a glycerin melt and pour soap, and it's fragranced. Fragrance is Happy Fall, y'all. It has a lot of pumpkiny, nutmeg, cinnamon hints to it. So it smells like fall in a bar of soap. And we're going to slice it up, and we are going to see how it came out. If you want a bar, go to heritagesoapsandcandles.com. heritagesoapsandcandles.com. I'll put the link in the description box below so that you guys will have it. And I'm going to go ahead and slice up this soap. I slice my melt and pour bars with a knife. We either have that or we have a blade that we also cut with. We don't cut these with our regular cutter here. Okay. And that's how it came out. This light is a little bit harsh, or more harsh than I'm used to. So, try to put that up where y'all can see it. The lighting's terrible in this video. I'm not in my studio, so I'm trying to make it work without all of my regular lighting that I have. So we'll see how it comes out. It smells really good. And these are just the perfect little travel size bars. They're $3.50 a bar. And they really do smell like fall. Have a really good, and they have some gold glitter on the top. And I said, I'm sorry for this lighting. It's so harsh. Try to turn it down just a tad. It's like I said, I'm not in my element. I'm out in a different area. Okay. Smells so good. I'm going to be making a cold process with the same fragrance, so y'all be able to watch us do that. We're going to make it in a big 30-pound, I'm just dropping soap everywhere. We're going to be making it in a 30-pound loaf. So we'll see how that comes out. Sorry, the lighting is so harsh. I'll also take some pictures and put with the video. It smells great, and like I said, they'll all be on the website for y'all to check out. And we will see y'all next time. We're going to start doing melt and pour glycerin soaps every Monday. We're going to call them Melt and Pour Mondays. And so we'll be doing glycerin soaps on Mondays, and we'll be doing it in the little small loaves. and we'll always have 5 bars available. I'll do them a little bigger than this next time. This is a small little travel size bar, so I'm gonna do them a little taller than this the next time that I do it. But anyway, we hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so, and hit the little notification bell so that you'll get notified when I post new videos. Thank y'all for watching, and y'all have a great and blessed day.